Welcome to the YouTube channel Chosen Generation, where you are handpicked and chosen to do great things. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can stay in the loop when we post new videos. Thanks! Stay tuned for fun ways to use your child's new learning board. This board was designed to use at home as additional support to help build your child's confidence socially and emotionally so that they may excel academically. So have fun, and remember, a happy mind is always happy learning. Amari,
Eating my French fries.
You eating French fries or are they friendship fries? What kind of fries are they?
French fries.
Hello, parents. Today on Taylor Teaches, we will be introducing her learning board. As you can see, this board is filled with all sorts of educational material that we as parents can be sure to utilize on the weekend and even after homeworks in the afternoon. Right here in the middle of our board up top, we have our alphabets that showcase both the upper and lowercase alphabets. What's so special about these letters are they also have words that we can use to expand the activity with beginning sounds, CVC words, and even onset and rhyme. Below, we have our numbers that we can use for identifying and matching items in the home as well as counting. We also have shapes that we can utilize to match objects within the home. We can expand this activity with counting the sides and matching the numbers on the board. We can sort and group 3-sided shapes, 4-sided shapes, and even non-sided shapes. We can look outside and sing a beautiful weather song, such as "Today the clouds are in the sky and cloudy is the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy is the weather." On the right side of the board, we have our days of the week. And I know we love to wake every morning and ask our children what day today is, what yesterday was, and what tomorrow will be. So you can find you a fun song every day to help them recognize what day of the week it is. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Oh, there's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And down beneath our days of the week, we also have some fun rhyming words. We can play all sorts of rhyming games with the children as well. Look at dog. Do they rhyme? Rhyme time. What words rhyme? Dog and frog rhymes every time. I have really enjoyed sharing this board with you all today because I know that this board is most helpful during those summer vacation months to ensure that our little scholars stay abreast of everything they have learned throughout the school year. So kiss your brain and kiss your heart. You from the world of pre-K, where we're always seeking to play, laugh, learn, and grow. Toodles from Taylor Teaches.